never ever find the right words. And there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're actually at my middle school. This is actually where I met Jordan back in the day. Still troublemakers back then. Right now we're just taking some shots up here of the GT500. So we'll go ahead and take care of this real quick and I'll get back to you guys. So it's actually really crazy to think about. This is not basically, but this is exactly where I met Jordan and Andrew. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty crazy that we actually stayed friends. You know, it's really rare for people to stay friends for that long. Daniel, which the one with the TL, we really don't hang out as much anymore, but I met him back in elementary school. So crazy, and I feel like, you know, really thankful and blessed that I still am able to hang out with friends that I met way back when. And now I'm bringing my GT500 over here to take some photos. So again, really thankful and really blessed. Really appreciate all your guys' love and support as well. So thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. All right, guys, so right now Esther is gonna kind of guide me in, or at least try. That's loud.
How's it going? What's up, bro? Hey, Jordan!
Alright, guys, so we are heading out to Blackstone right now. So it's about 4 of us right now. Rob's gonna take his girl to go pick up her Cobra, and then we're gonna probably head over there right now. Unfortunately, my gas light is already on. Kind of low on gas, so we'll make it through, but still don't want to be running my car on low gas either way.
Riding low and flying high, we can reach the morning light. Come on, baby, you should take my hand.
So I needed gas, and basically everyone pulled up right now. Sick. using Blackstone. Let's see what we're gonna do. Basically, trying to stay warm. It's super cold right now, and I'm not prepared. I know a lot of the other guys aren't prepared either for this coldness. So I decided to cruise up and stay warm, basically, for a little bit at least.
Chico.
Oh, dude, that's funny.
You going over that truck?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Poor guy.
Rest in peace, bro. Hey, what's up, man?
Alright guys, so I had a great night. Definitely fun hanging out with the new Era Muscle. Got to hang out with a lot of them. It was quite funny, as you guys saw in the video. Basically, I needed gas. I was the only one who needed gas, and they all pulled over. We took over a whole gas station, which is pretty insane. Used up about a quarter tank on that. So with that being said, shout out to New Era Muscle. Really appreciate the love. Definitely consider joining if they'll have me. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys. Really appreciate the support. And
Okay,